Hey guys, TechGeekHD here again with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro. This is the first year I've got the iPhone in a color. Apple actually released this really interesting Pacific blue color. And the reason I decided to get it instead of my typical black was I wasn't necessarily even planning to upgrade to this iPhone. I have the 12 Pro here and had no intention of getting the new one, but at some point I just decided, being part of the Apple upgrade program, that, why not? Let's try out the new cameras. I was going to take a trip to New York City and the phone was due to be delivered before I got to go there, and it meant that I wouldn't have to carry a camera around with me. And so I decided to pull the trigger and thought I'd try a new color. And the Pacific blue is actually really nice. Opening up the box, taking it off, you can see it actually looks kind of like a muted, subtle light blue. At some angles, it almost looks like a light grayish, like a really cool gray color, and I actually really dig that. I have it here compared to the space gray on my iPhone 12 Pro. The biggest thing you can see from the back actually telling these things apart outside of the color is just the difference in the size of the camera lenses. The 13 Pro is substantially bigger. I didn't really think the difference would be that big. Also inside the box, of course, you have your typical documentation designed by Apple in California, as well as a little SIM card tool, even though most of these phones, including my 12 Pro when I got it, came with the eSIM pre-installed. We also have a Lightning to USB-C cable. These are always super exciting to unbox and open up. Honestly, just kidding, but I have a ton of these laying around. They're always useful. I'm glad that Apple's finally including USB-C connection things. There's a little piece of paper on top of the iPhone this year. It's not plastic anymore, so peeling that off, of course, is very satisfying. This is probably the cleanest this display is going to look. This is probably one of those features I was actually super excited about, was having that new ProMotion display. I'm going to be doing a dedicated video about my experience with the iPhone coming up really soon, but for now, that's been it. This was the unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.